everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. It's Chandni from Super School. I'm back with another video from my verb series. But today, what type of verb I'm going to discuss, as I have covered all the 9 types of verb? No. Today I will answer one important question that is asked by all the English language learners out there in the world. And what is that question? That how can we use verbs depending on the situation? You heard me right. I will answer this commonly asked question, and for that you need to first look on the screen and follow me. Verbs can be used in many forms and types in sentences depending on the setting, state or situation. Now, let's see few examples based on the following situations. John walks in the evening with his dog. John walks in the evening with his dog. So in this sentence, the highlighted part is the verb which is expressing an action which usually takes place. So the situation is a usual action, and this type of situation is expressed with simple present tense commonly. Now, move on to the second example. Mary is running by the embankment. Embankment is basically the river. So, Mary is running by the embankment. Now, here the sentence structure is present continuous tense. You guessed right. And what type of situation the highlighted part of the verb is expressing? A condition of action. That means any condition under which the action is going on. So usually we use present continuous, or you can also use past continuous, any continuous form or any continuous tense to express such action. A negative action. So Ali doesn't like to work hard, or Ali and his brothers don't like to work hard. So here, what are the highlighted, or what is the highlighted part of the verb is expressing? It's expressing a negative action, and these verb needs to be in agreement with the subject. Here Ali is the singular subject, that's why I have used does and added not with it, the negative verb. Now, if the subject is like plural, like Ali and his brothers, then there will be do. So it's really important that you are concerned about the subject verb agreement while you're forming this type of simple sentence, because often the English language learners struggle with the use of do and does. So now let's move on to the third and last example, which is Mary is a strong person, or Mark is a strong person. So here is not the auxiliary verb, but it is the main verb in the sentence, and also this verb is expressing a state of being. That means Mary's state of being or Mark's state of being, right? So you must keep one important information in your head, that is, verbs are related to numerous other factors like the subject, person, number, tense, mood, voice, etc. And that's why it's really important to look after verb or be accurate on using verb in the sentence properly. Now, there is a chart. This chart might help you out to revise or maybe to learn that how can you use these verbs with the subject. So look at the example. I was, I am, I will be. So look at the categories: past tense, then verb to be present tense and future tense. So you were, you are, you will be. He, she, it was, is, or will be. We were, we are, we will be. You were, you are, you will be. They were, they are, they will be. So it's as simple as that. Now, please like and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to watch my upcoming videos, and also you can contact me through my Facebook page Super School. Thank you so much.